Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add PDF to MailerLite. All right. You can't add PDF directly on MailerLite, but there's a workaround. We'll have to use a cloud storage service. It could be a Google Drive right here or Dropbox. All right. For example, on Google Drive, we will have to upload our PDF right here. For example, I'm going to upload a PDF, this dummy file right here. Let's just wait for it. And once it's done, click on the three dots. Go ahead and click on Share. Share. Under General Access, click on Restricted and make sure that you tick on anyone with the link. Right? Hit on Done. Click on it again. Now hit on Share. Copy the link. Once that's done, go back to your MailerLite dashboard. Edit your campaign. Go ahead over to the left panel and click on Elements. Now go ahead and scroll down all the way down until you find links. Drag it. For example, in this section, okay, could be in the left like that. On the right, delete unnecessary tabs. For example, these ones right here, we're just going to leave one and you can rename it. For example, visit PDF. All right. And the link, so you might remember, we just copied the link from Google Drive. Right click and paste and just hit on save. Once done, if you want to preview it and test right here, when we click on visit PDF, here you have the dummy file. That's basically how to do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.